Son, you know why I pulled you over? Because you committed an error in reasoning, also known as an informal fallacy, and also to announce Father Deacon Dr. Ananias' introductory course to logic, so that you too can learn to avoid the errors of reasoning, how to drive and correctly navigate through arguments, learn to identify the hazards on the roadside of the mind. Father Deacon Dr. Ananias' course will begin this Monday. His academy of logic and correct thinking will train you to become a police officer of thought. And upon successful graduation, you too can give citations to those who err in reason and depart from the correct code of thinking and argumentation. If you too would like to be a logical police officer, you can sign up for his course this Monday, beginning on President's Day, in which he will cover Harley's introduction to logic with your $40 payment to his PayPal. You'll be registered. You will get a free copy of Hurley's A Concise Introduction to Logic in the PDF format. You will also receive slides, notes. And the first lecture will begin this Monday, President's Day, and will roughly run for lecture 1 an hour and 20 minutes to an hour and 30 minutes. So feel free to leave comments on what would be the appropriate time for you to listen to the first lecture in the Logical Police Academy of Correct Thinking and Reasoning. Sign up and join. And if you have any questions about the course or how you too would like to become an officer of logic and correct reasoning, so you too can police the imbeciles and erroneous, fallacious thinking folk in the world and correct their unlawful behavior, feel free to leave comments and feel free to sign up for the course so that you too may become an officer of correct thinking. Thank you. And don't forget your citation when you depart.